Farberware Black FMO11AHTBSJ 1.1 Cu.Ft 1100-watt microwave oven with smart sensor cooking, inverter technology, eco mode and blue LED lighting, black stainless steel. With 1.1 cubic feet of cooking capacity and 1100 watts of output power, this countertop microwave delivers power, style, and convenience with a sleek black stainless steel and black body wrap designed to complement your kitchen. Smart sensor technology monitors the temperature and amount of steam coming from the food to judge how much water remains and how long it should continue heating with 6 one-touch cooking programs: sensor reheat, frozen pizza, frozen vegetable, potato, meat, and popcorn. It also includes 3 preset cooking menus: melt, soften, stew. Inverter Precision Cooking Technology produces even temperatures, consistent textures and prevents overcooking and loss of nutrients. Your food can be prepared to perfection with minimal hot spots and burn risks. Inverter Defrost allows you to defrost foods such as meat, poultry and seafood simply by entering the weight, while preventing cooked edges. Multi-stage cooking functionality adjusts cooking level mid-cycle, allowing for the perfect finish. Additional features such as a memory function for customized settings, 1 to 3 minute express cooking, a plus 30 seconds control button, 10 power control levels, child safety lock function, blue LED display and interior LED lighting make this a perfect fit for any kitchen. Exterior product dimensions: 20.2 x 16.9 x 12.1 inches, width x depth x height. Interior cavity dimensions: 14.49 x 13.9 x 9.09, width x depth x height. Turntable diameter 12.4 inches. Voltage 120 V 60 Hz. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.